Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, another walkthrough video. Again, these are raw walkthrough videos. I like to just show you what the sights and sounds are going to be like, explain a little bit of stuff as well along the way. So I'm here on the main street on Isla Mujeres. Right here is the ferry building we're going to come in at. So I'm going to walk north along this street, the main street, and show you what to expect when you head towards the North Beach. Again, a lot of hotels and stuff are in this end if you're staying on the north part of the island. There's a taxi stand on the other side of this building, so you'll get to see that. And yeah, let's just go for a walk. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come on the videos. Follow all of our adventures, the rest of them here in Mexico, as well as in Costa Rica where we live. So yeah, let's go for an early morning walk. Again, I'm doing this at like just before 8 o'clock. That way there's not as many people and you can see more of both sides of the street. So yeah, let's go for a walk. So yeah, this is the main ferry building. This is where you're gonna enter the island for the most part if you're taking the fast ferries from Cancun, and then as well as when you leave. And then you're gonna find a lot of places along here to rent golf carts. We did that yesterday, so make sure you watch for that video. I'll put a link for it in the description below. I don't know the exact timing everything is going to come out as far as our videos go, so watch for that below or come back and watch it. So yeah, here's the main taxi stand here if you need a taxi around the island. Then along the water you'll find a lot of little restaurants and beach clubs, they call them, little bars. Move out into the street so it's easier to see. So just down the road you'll see this Banco or CL Banco. There's a bank machine in there. Keep in mind that even if it shows a dollar sign, it's most likely in pesos that you get. Down this road just before that 6 is where we're staying, so it's nice and central. Again, this street gets very busy in the day. I'll put a little clip in at the end to show you what it's like when there's more people, more traffic. Buenos dias. There's all these streets that run in between both sides of the island. A big souvenir shop here. A lot of tours that come off of boats go through there. This is where the beach starts, public beach. There's not really much for a little bit of the strip with no restaurants. You'll see. Nice to see they have people hired to clean up around the town by the beach here. I like seeing that. Makes everything look super nice all the time. Lots of taxis. Oh, I should mention too, there is no Uber on the island, so you will have to take a taxi. All right, so we're at the end, at the roundabout. There is a street here that goes down, and that takes you to some more beach restaurants. And yeah, the beach is really nice down there. That's North Beach. And yeah, we're at the roundabout. So yeah, that was just a quick early morning raw walkthrough of the main street here on Isla Mujeres. Again, you're gonna probably be on that street a lot when you're here. So yeah, then this road here takes you over to a bunch of streets that run parallel with this street as well. And one of the main streets is Miguel Hidalgo, which is the main walking street. So I'm going to do a video on that, so stay tuned for that video as well. I'm going to do one in the day, which is going to be now, which is early morning, and then I'm also going to do one at night when everything comes to life down there with all the restaurants and shopping and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.